Hurricanes, destructive forces of nature. Presentation overview. Understanding hurricanes. Understanding what hurricanes are and how they form is essential to predicting their path and the potential impact on human life and property. Effects of hurricanes on property and the environment. Hurricanes can have devastating effects on property and the environment, including flooding, landslides, and destruction of infrastructure and natural habitats. Effects of hurricanes on human life. Hurricanes can also have a profound impact on human life, including loss of life, displacement of populations, and disruption of essential services such as healthcare and transportation. Safety precautions for hurricanes. Taking safety precautions such as preparing an emergency kit, securing property, and evacuating when necessary can help people protect themselves and mitigate the impact of hurricanes. Understanding hurricanes. What are hurricanes? Hurricanes are intense tropical storms that form over warm ocean water. They are characterized by strong winds, heavy rainfall, and storm surges that can cause significant damage to coastal areas. Science behind hurricane formation. The formation of hurricanes is a complex process that involves a combination of atmospheric and oceanic factors, including warm water, low wind shear, and high humidity. Factors that contribute to hurricane strength. Several factors contribute to the strength of a hurricane, including warm water temperatures, low wind shear, and high humidity. These factors can cause the storm to intensify and become more dangerous. What is a hurricane? Definition of hurricane. A hurricane is a type of tropical cyclone that forms over warm ocean waters. It is characterized by strong winds, heavy rain, and storm surges that can cause significant damage if they make landfall. Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale. The strength of a hurricane is measured on the Saffir-Simpson hurricane wind scale, which ranges from Category 1 to Category 5. Category 5 hurricanes are the strongest with winds over 156 miles per hour. Hurricane formation. Hurricanes are formed when warm ocean waters release heat and moisture into the atmosphere, creating low pressure areas that suck in air and cause storms to form. Stages of hurricane formation. The stages of hurricane formation include tropical disturbance, tropical depression, tropical storm, and hurricane, with each stage characterized by its own set of weather conditions and wind speeds. Types of hurricanes. There are several types of hurricanes, including Category 1 to 5 hurricanes, which are classified based on their wind speeds and potential for damage. Effects of hurricanes. Property damage. Hurricanes can cause extensive damage to buildings, homes, and other structures, leading to costly repairs and significant economic impact. Environmental impact. Hurricanes can have a significant impact on the environment, causing flooding, erosion, and damage to ecosystems. The long-term effects on the environment can be devastating. Damage to property. Wind damage. Hurricane force winds can cause significant damage to homes and buildings, including broken windows, damaged roofs, and siding, which can lead to water damage. Flood damage. Flooding caused by storm surge and heavy rain during hurricanes can damage homes and buildings, leading to structural damage, mold, and other issues. Infrastructure damage. Hurricanes can damage critical infrastructure, including roads, bridges, and power lines, leading to long-term power outages and communication disruptions. Impact on the environment. Erosion and soil damage. Hurricanes can cause erosion and soil damage, leading to changes in soil composition and structure that can impact vegetation and wildlife. Habitat destruction. Hurricanes can destroy habitats, leading to the displacement or loss of plant and animal species that depend on those ecosystems for survival. Long term consequences. The impact of hurricanes on the environment can have long-term consequences, such as changes in ecosystem dynamics or shifts in plant and animal populations. Safety precautions. Pre-hurricane safety precautions. Preparation is key to ensuring personal safety and minimizing property damage during a hurricane. Safety precautions include fortifying windows, securing outdoor items, and having an emergency kit. During hurricane safety precautions. During a hurricane, it is important to stay indoors and monitor weather reports. If necessary, evacuate to a designated shelter. Avoid going outside during the storm and stay away from flooded areas. Post hurricane safety precautions. After a hurricane, it is important to assess any damage to your property and take steps to mitigate further damage. Avoid using electrical appliances until they have been inspected and cleared for use by a professional. Preparing for a hurricane. Create an emergency kit. Creating an emergency kit is a critical step in preparing for a hurricane. The kit should contain items such as water, non perishable food, first aid supplies, batteries, and flashlights. Secure property. Securing property is an important step in minimizing damage during a hurricane. This involves things such as covering windows, securing outdoor objects, and trimming trees. Develop a family communication plan. Developing a family communication plan is crucial to staying safe during a hurricane. This involves things such as designating a meeting place, identifying emergency contacts, and staying informed about local weather conditions. Staying safe during a hurricane. Stay informed. Stay informed by following updates from local authorities at the National Hurricane Center. This will help you be aware of the storm's path and any evacuation orders. Evacuation procedures. If an evacuation order is issued, it is important to follow the instructions of local authorities and evacuate to the designated shelter or a safe location. Sheltering in place. If evacuation is not necessary, it is important to secure your home and shelter in place. This means staying indoors in a safe room and away from windows, doors, and other openings. Conclusion. Understanding hurricane formation. By understanding the formation of hurricanes, we can better predict their trajectory and intensity, which can help minimize their impact on human life and property. Impact of hurricanes. Hurricanes can have devastating impacts on human life and the environment, including flooding, high winds, and storm surges. It is important to understand these impacts to be prepared for the worst case scenario. Safety precautions. By taking proper safety precautions, such as evacuation and preparing emergency supplies, we can minimize the impact of hurricanes and protect ourselves and our communities. Thank you.